The study of self-awareness is the study of self-active behavior. One aspect is to understand an individual's motivations, preferences, and personality. And the second is to understand how these three factors affect judgment, decision-making, and the way of interacting with others. The emergence of self-awareness is the behavior that an individual pays attention to at the focus of oneself, which also directly leads to the individual's self-concept. The perception of self-awareness forces people to abide by social norms because individuals will be aware that they are being scrutinized and evaluated, and then individuals will behave in a way that is acceptable and expected in society. In addition, individuals also have different self-awareness due to their own thoughts. These are different manifestations of self-awareness. Mastering and applying the concept of self-awareness can better understand myself. So in this process, I need to determine my strengths, personality, values, and other aspects, so as to comprehensively consider my weakness and overcome my limitations. I am very clear about my own strengths and the help it brings me. I am very good at building interpersonal relationships and communication. In the communication process, I value my words and the expression of my body movements. I want others to have a good impression of me, so I adhere to two principles in every communication I have, that is, respect and listen. I took time to imagine how different people would state and understand the problem. When I was a volunteer before, when someone came to consult, I would maintain a certain degree of eye contact and listen to other people's problems first. The way I answer is not to give a judgment, but to provide feasible options for the inquiry to choose, because I don't want to appear domineering because I have more information. My personality is gentle and casual. I like to listen to my own inner thoughts. In the spring, I went to the park to watch the swans swimming in the lake for a whole afternoon. I like to follow my own inner arrangements, but this also shows my weakness in personality. That is my procrastination. My procrastination will make me lose plans for my work, study, and even my life. Not to mention my performance in study. I borrowed a book related to patriarchy from the library, but I only read first chapter and I even got stuck in the last day of returning the book. I realized that my problem will affect my future work and potentially affect my ability to accomplish things at the same time. Due to the influence of my personality, my values are me and the world dedicated to doing good for the entire planet. I believe that there is no barrier between human beings, so I think my values are freedom and love. I will participate in volunteer activities organized by the local community. The themes include protecting stray animals and opposing bullying. My reflection and overview of my own strengths, personalities, and values constitute my understanding of self-awareness. Self-awareness focuses my own consciousness of myself, including my feelings, physical sensations, reactions, habits, behaviors, and ability to think. The exploration of self-awareness can help people build a correct understanding of themselves and help deal with the relationship with the outside world.